Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a LookFantastic beauty chest to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my LookFantastic beauty chest. Now, this was $110. It is supposed to have a value of over $460, and there is 10 full-size products. So I know where the advent calendar, even though I still loved my advent calendar, I thought that was like the best one for the value that I got from LookFantastic. It has this, it looks just like the boxes from the advent calendar. So I thought this was really cool to get to show you guys. Now I went to the US site. I purchased this one from the UK site, so it took some time for delivery. I don't know if that one's still available, but I went to the US site and it shows that they are out of stock. So if they do still have any in the UK, I will link them down below, or maybe check out for them next year, because it seems like it's something that they do every year. And this is the first time I've ever received one. So again, this is $110 and it's valued at $460 or more. So you have a top that opens, and then you have this drawer that opens with some items in there as well. And then you have the reusable chest. I did notice that it did receive a little bit of damage on the box. It's broken here and it's cut up here, but I mean, one little tiny spot, I'm not gonna complain too much. So let's go ahead and get inside here. Let's see what products are in here, and let's see if it was worth the money. Or let's see if it looks like it's close to $400 and something value. So I will go ahead and open up the top. We'll go through the top portion and then we'll go through the drawer. So the very first item that I am pulling out, this looks like it is Burberry Liquid Lip in Velvet. And I thought they only were like cologne. I didn't know they did makeup too. So there's the outside. And let's get this opened. So inside it looks like this. And the color is Fawn number 5. And let's see, let's swatch this. Oh, okay. That's what that color looks like. That's really pretty. So let's get it on my lips. So I don't have anything getting on my teeth, which that is amazing, because I really can't stand when stuff gets on my teeth, especially if I don't know it. So far so good. And I think the colors are really nice, just neutral color, nothing too dark, nothing too bright, just a really nice neutral color that should be good for anybody. So I really like that. So item number 1, we're already starting off really good. So there's that guy. Now, let's see here. Next we have is Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. And this is Illuminating Mineral Veil. And there is like a little piece of paper in there. And then here's like a little closed, you have to sit here. I guess you need to open that. Okay, so once I removed the top, ooh, a lot of powder kind of came out, but that's what it looks like inside. And it says an illuminating, I'm not sure. Let me just put this on my hand though. Ooh. Like I don't know. But it's very shiny, it's right here. But that is it on my finger. To read the instructions to see how to use that, but there's that item. Next we have is from Crafty. I'm not sure, it looks like Christopher, but there's no R on the end. Robin. And this says that it is a shampooing cleansing mask with lemon, ultra nourishing low shampoo. It does have a safety seal. Okay, and then once I remove the seal, that's what it looks like inside. I do smell a little hint of lemon, but is this just a shampoo then? It does have a little hint of lemon. And I would say that it would be a shampoo because it's starting to kind of like foam up. It's not like creamy like a conditioner, but let me see. Directions: apply to wet hair, then emulsify the product 4 to 5 times by adding little by little some water. Finish by rinsing throughout. For a deep care treatment, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. Ideal after the hair oil with lavender intense pre-shampoo treatment. So is this shampoo or is this a conditioner? It says cleansing mask with lemon, ultra nourishing low shampoo for damaged or color treated hair. I've never heard of a low shampoo, so I'm not quite sure, but I will definitely give that a shot and see. I guess I'll use it as a shampoo. I'm not sure. There's that. Next we have a Sigma brush. This is E43 Domed Blending. This is by Sigma. So let's get this guy opened. Okay, so here is the brush out of the package, and it is a domed blending brush. That looks like that would be nice to get in my corners and blend. So I will actually try that out. That looks really nice. I like Sigma brushes, you guys, so I'm really excited to get that. Next we have is Ilamasquia. I don't know how to say that brand, but there's that. I know we have got a few, I think it's lip products from this brand before. So let me go ahead and get this opened. Take the seal off. And there's the outside packaging, a really pretty like mauve color. And then when you open her up, there are all of the colors. It looks like a pretty palette. I can see me doing a complete eye look. I tend to like at least 1 or 2 dark colors so I can darken up my corners. And this doesn't seem like it's as dark as I normally even use. So I'll try this out. I might just have to have a lighter look or grab a dark from another palette just to finalize the look. But it does look like some pretty colors. So I'm actually excited to try it out. Like I said, it's just, I normally like a darker color in the mix as well. Now that is everything from the top shelf. So let me go ahead and get into the bottom shelf. That's what it looks like in the bottom shelf. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Rose Water Balancing Mist. There's that. And, ooh, that is a very pretty bottle and it's glass. So there is that guy, and it's a Rose Water Balancing Mist to spray on your face. I'm not into rose, so I'm not gonna spray that on my face, but I bet you it is a really good product because it's in this box. All right, so next we have is by Ren, and this is a Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Milk. And let's see here. It's cruelty free. To use, gently rub between hands, massage into face, rinse off with warm water. And oh, so it has like a little thing like to hold it in, I guess, like, oh, and it just comes right out. And it looks kind of like a lotion. It doesn't really smell like anything. Let's see if it'll take off. It took off my lipstick like within this one little swipe. So, can't can't wait to try that to use as a cleanser to try to get all my makeup off then. So I'm gonna definitely use that tonight, but that's a good size as a cleansing balm. That is a really good size. So we have that. Okay, so next we have is Neil's Yard Remedies. This is a rejuvenating frankincense toner. Refines and rehydrates all skin types. I like that pretty blue. It's a cobalt blue bottle and it's full right up to right here. It's a glass bottle. Frankincense toner. Let's see what this smells like. See if it's gonna smell like essential oils. Yep, it smells exactly like essential oils. So there is a really nice big bottle of toner and it is the cobalt blue. I really like that. So we have a big glass bottle of toner. Then we have is by ESPA, and this is the Natural Beauty Inner Calm for all skin types. This is Optimal Skin Pro Serum. And let's get this opened. Okay, and there is that. And it says for best results, after cleansing and toning, warm a few drops in your palms and cup hands over face and inhale the aroma. Gently smooth over face and neck until fully absorbed. To intensify results, follow up with Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. So then you can follow up with your normal moisturizer after you put this on. And let's see. It's just like a normal little drop. It smells kind of like an oil would smell. And now it's nice and shiny, but it does smell like a oil would smell. Okay, and then the last item is going to be EVELOM. I'm not quite sure if it's Evelom Moisturizing Cream. So let me get this. So it comes in a box like this, and then this is completely wrapped in plastic, and it says Moisturize Cream Hydrate. So let me get this open here. Okay, so then now that the plastic's removed, oop, there's a little scooper outer on top. And then here is the actual package on the inside. And then, let's see, it has the top that you pull off. Ooh, and I'll show you that part. That's what it looks like inside. Let me just grab a little bit on my finger. And this is a nice glass jar too. These are nice jars. It doesn't really have a scent at all, but it feels really nice on my skin. It feels really nice. So I can't wait to put that on my face. So there's that guy. And so that is everything that came in this beauty chest. Now, looking at these 10 items, I physically cannot see $460, but I don't know how much these cost from the actual manufacturer. So I'm not quite sure, but I definitely do see at least the $110 value. So we got this, I don't know how to say that. It looks like I said, it looks like Christopher without the R on the end. So here's like a Christophy, I'm not sure, Robin. Some kind of like a hair cleanser. I'm gonna assume this is kind of like a shampoo. We have the face cream. We have the Sigma brush. We have the Bare Minerals. We have the Burberry lip product. We have the frankincense toner. We have the oil, face oil. We have the Ren cleanser, the Ever Calm cleanser. We have the Rose toner, and we have this eyeshadow palette. So that is everything that came in this beauty chest, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, do you see the value of 110? Do you see the retail value of over 460? Did you see this box? Did you order this box? Would you have wanted this box? Again, it did come from the UK, so it took a lot longer to ship, and now they are sold out on their website. So I will definitely try to see if maybe the UK still has them available, and if I do, I will link them down below. But definitely let me know what your thoughts are on these products. Have you used any of these products? Have you seen any of these products? Are these products supposed to be good? Are they on the higher end side? I'm not quite sure. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I am now glad that I have this chest because I can reuse the packaging, and it matches the advent calendar that I got to a T, that I'm reusing that container as well. So I do like the fact that they can sit by each other and they look like they match. So I do like that. And I'm glad to now have these 10 full-size products to try out. And they seem like they are going to be some pretty good and decent products. So I'm excited. I'm happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.